Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to sum elements of array. Now to do that, first I'm going to create an array here. Let's say integer. Let's put my name as array and a square bracket right here, and that is equivalent to, let's put some array variables. Let's say 21, 16, 86, 21 and 3. Okay, so these are my array variables. Here I'm going to initialize sum with 0. Integer sum is equal to 0. Then I'm going to create a for loop. In the for loop I initialize counter with 0. Integer counter is equal to 0, and after that we set the condition, that is counter is less than Taliban dot length. Taliban is the array's name, dot length, and then we do the increment by 1, counter plus plus, counter plus plus, and after that I put sum plus equal Taliban counter. Okay, now finally we want to print out this. To print this one out, we put a system out statement, system dot out dot print line. The sum of these number is plus sum. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. There's an error showing up here. I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, let's run this one. And here you can see the sum of this number is 147. So if I try some different number, it's going to find out the sum of that. The sum of this number is 187. So that's how we find out the summing the elements of array. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.